Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can install DeepL on your iPhone or your iOS device. Go ahead and open your App Store, which is on your phone. Now, what you need to do is go in the search bar, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then search for DeepL. Click search and then click on DeepL Translate. Now click Gate and then authorize your fingerprint, and then you can see that it will now start to download. Now you must have iOS 16.0 or later to install this device. So make sure your iOS device is 16.0 and then you can download DeepL Translate on your iOS device. This was a video on how you can download DeepL Translate on your iOS device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.